If your garden feels like a full-time job, you're doing it the hard way. Most growers try to fix problems after they show up. Pests, bad soil, weak growth. Lazy growers? We don't do that. We set things up so the garden handles itself. That's where companion planting and cover crops come in. This isn't random. This is strategy. Every plant either helps the system or makes your life harder. Let's start with companion planting. You already know the basic combos: tomatoes and basil, carrots and onions. But the real advantage comes from stacking lesser-known pairings that most people ignore. Here are 20 that actually make a difference. Peppers and marigolds. Marigolds help repel root pests. Cucumbers and nasturtiums. Nasturtiums act like a trap crop and pull pests away. Lettuce and radishes. Radishes break up soil and help lettuce roots grow easier. Spinach and strawberries. Spinach helps shade soil and retain moisture. Zucchini and borage. Borage attracts pollinators and boosts growth. Broccoli and dill. Dill attracts beneficial insects. Cabbage and thyme. Thyme helps repel cabbage worms. Kale and garlic. Garlic deters pests that go after leafy greens. Beets and bush beans. Beans add nitrogen that beets can use. Corn and sunflowers. Both attract pollinators and support vertical growth. Eggplant and amaranth. Amaranth draws pests away from eggplant. Potatoes and horseradish. Horseradish can help reduce disease pressure. Tomatoes and chives. Chives help repel aphids. Carrots and rosemary. Rosemary helps confuse carrot flies. Peas and turnips. Turnips help loosen soil for pea roots. Squash and radishes. Radishes help deter squash pests. Onions and lettuce. Onions repel pests without hurting lettuce. Beans and savory. Savory improves bean growth and flavor. Apples and chives. Chives help reduce fungal issues. Grapes and hyssop. Hyssop attracts beneficial insects. Now here's the thing. You don't need to use all of these. Even adding 2 or 3 smart pairings can noticeably reduce problems in your garden. Now let's talk about what most growers completely ignore. Cover crops. This is the real lazy grower hack. Because instead of constantly feeding your soil, you grow plants that do it for you. Cover crops fix nutrients, improve structure, hold moisture, and protect your soil, all at the same time. Here are 10 solid soil-fixing cover crops you should know. Clover, one of the best for adding nitrogen naturally. Hairy vetch, builds nitrogen fast and adds biomass. Winter rye, protects soil and adds organic matter. Buckwheat, grows fast and improves poor soil quickly. Crimson clover, great for pollinators and soil fertility. Field peas, fix nitrogen and improve soil texture. Oats, good for erosion control and organic matter. Alfalfa, deep roots pull nutrients up from lower soil levels. Mustard greens, help suppress soil diseases. Daikon radish, breaks up compacted soil with deep roots. Here's where things start working in your favor. When you combine companion planting with cover crops, your garden starts to run like a system. Pests get handled naturally. Soil feeds itself. Water stays where it should. And you stop having to fix the same problems over and over again. That's the difference between struggling growers and smart growers. So if your garden has been feeling like too much work, stop trying to do everything manually. Let the plants handle it. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more growers tips. Because the goal isn't to work harder. It's to set things up so you don't have to.